ano kami, nagpa-paddle-paddleboard lang. Si Casey ni Alex kasama Ketch. Tada. Casey, can you come here? Go in the front, come on. Okay. Here, Casey, get over here. Here, come back.
Why did he jump?
Oh, he fell. Don't shake, I'm gonna get wet.
It's fine, we're gonna end up getting wet.
Left, right.
Left.
This is the hard part.
No, it's never that deep. Come on.
Hmm?
Oh my god.
Tilting by itself.
Casey is shaking. Oh, don't let me here. I might not make it back. Oh my god, it's hard.
Couple times.
I don't know. It's getting deep here. Why not? You're gonna dry. It's fine. I know. A lot more people coming later. Yesterday, I wore this yesterday already.
Can't wear it. 7 million days. It's never even going to the beach.
Because we never go to the beach. You never take me to the beach.
Oh, give me a break.
I don't like beach. Hi guys, good morning. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko last time, nag-upload ako ng video about binibenta namin tong bangka. So ngayon, nandito pa rin ako sa bangka. Pero, meron nang tumingin nitong bangka. And then, nagustuhan niya. So, bibilhin niya na to bukas. And yeah, pupunta siya dito para i-turn over namin yung bangka sa kanya bukas. Kasi ayaw na siya naming i-drive pabalik dun sa bahay. So, ang mangyayari, pupunta dito yung bibili ng bangka and magbabayad din siya sa amin bukas. So, bali, ang mangyayari bukas, ihatid niya kami dun sa lupa kasama yung mga gamit namin. And then, iwan na namin to sa kanya. And siya nang bahala. So, wala na kaming bangka. Wala na tayong bangka. Wala na tayong bangka, guys. Oh my gosh. Medyo nakakalungkot siya kasi marami kaming experience na nangyari kasama tong bangka namin nung nag-travel kami. Like, happiness, sadness, alam mo yun, challenging. Super dami nang nangyari kasama namin tong bangka. So, medyo nakakalungkot ng konti. Pero, ganun talaga ang life. Walang permanente. So, may aalis, may dadating na bago. So, ngayon, enjoy ko lang muna tong ganito. Na super quiet. And then, ang ganda ng view. Yung water, yung mga mangroves. And, yeah, super relaxing and peaceful. And then, bukas, wala na tayong bangka. So sad. Ito yung view natin ngayon. Ayan, it's super nice. Ayan yung paddleboard kasi nag-paddleboard ako kanina. And look at the view. Tapos merong mga dumadaan na mga boaters. And let's turn you around so you could see. Yan, ang ganda diba? Diyan si Alex nakahiga sa couch, nagpapahinga. And then yeah, it's very pretty. Look. Super linaw ng tubig. Tapos may mga bangka dyan. Hindi busy today kasi Monday. Pero pag weekends, puno yan siya. Maraming mga bangka dyan na nakaparada. 3 kami dito sa paddleboard. Si Casey, ako, tapos si Mahal. Medyo mataas yung medyo malakas yung current. So, mahirap mag-paddle. Oh, my dog there. Super nice ng water. Tapos, ang babaw lang niya. Pwede mo siya actually lakarin. Pero may part na malalim. So, kailangan mong mag-paddle board. Pero marami din part na mababaw. Yan si Casey. May dala kami dito na water para yan kay Casey. Just in case mapuhaw siya pag nandun tayo sa island. Tingnan nyo ang linaw. Yun, palabas yun. So pag nagdire-diretso ka dun, opening siya. So medyo mataas yung alon. Pero dito sa loob, hindi masyadong maalon. Tada! Ay, si Casey, nag-hike siya. Casey, turn around! Aroy, aroy! Ang dami mga mangroves. Come on, go back there. Go see your daddy. Hurry up. Aroy, aroy. Go see your daddy. Hindi siya takot sa water. Tingnan mo naman ang aso namin. Tada! Cute ni Casey. Parang buang maglakad si Casey, oy. Ang cute. He went hiking. He didn't get scared. Island dog kasi yan siya. Super blue ng water. So, doon tayo nang galing kanina. Dun sa kabilang may mga mangroves. Dun tayo nang galing. And pumunta tayo dito. Tingnan niyo ang water. Super really nice. Like that. Very beautiful. Clean. You done? Wanna go back?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
Grab a drink beside me.
Oh no! Doggy! I'll show you. Doggy. All right, all right.
You wanna swim too? Gonna throw you in the ocean. You wanna swim? Come on, shut up. So loud. Don't have to, hindi na namin kailangan mag-paddle kasi yung current is papunta dun sa pupuntahan namin. So, steady lang. Third.